If you are an Apple fan in India, get ready for some exciting news. No, it's not related to Apple's Make in India push to assemble future iPhones in India. Instead, we are talking about the Apple experience, which is soon going to expand big time. Speaking recently, in an earnings call, Apple CEO Tim Cook confirmed major plans for India. He not only highlighted the country's growing importance, but also announced that the company is set to increase its retail presence here. Cook confirmed the rumors, saying that there will be 4 new retail stores in India starting later this year. There are also reports which claim that Apple has already started hiring people for these stores. तो अब आता है सबसे पहला important question. Why is this such a big deal for India? Well, India is a massive and rapidly growing market for Apple. Expanding physical stores here is more than just about sales. It's about a powerful statement of commitment. Now, for you, the users, it means bringing that full immersive Apple experience to more places. अब दूसरा important question है, what exactly is the big deal about an Apple store? Believe me, these aren't your average electronics shop. Apple stores are famous worldwide for the unique design, simple layout, and the ability to get hands-on with every product in a relaxed environment. It's about expert support, like personal setup sessions or getting help at the Genius Bar. It's about the discovery and learning through free Today at Apple sessions. And finally, it's a place designed for you to explore Apple ecosystem and experience the best of Apple directly. India got its first taste of this back in April 2023 with the landmark openings of Apple BKC in Mumbai and Apple Saket in Delhi. These stores immediately became incredibly popular. Now, Apple is building on that success with plans for 4 additional stores. The new locations are planned across key cities: Delhi-NCR, Mumbai, Pune and Bengaluru. With Tim Cook confirming these plans and hiring already underway, the future looks bright for Apple's retail footprint in India. More stores, more access, and more of that signature Apple experience for a growing base of Indian customers. That's all for now. Catch you in the next one. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.